Namaskaram. This song was originally written by one of my Telugu school teachers, and the melody was beautifully composed by our music teacher. Even after all these decades, it never fails to receive appreciation whenever I sing it at family gatherings. Such was the charm of the composition, simple yet deeply beautiful. If you like it, please do save this video and consider teaching it to your children, perhaps for school prayers or for family pujas. I would love to hear from you. Let me know in the comments if you would like me to make more videos like this featuring patriotic or devotional songs for children. Thank you.
नमो नमो वाणी चदुबुलगीर्वाणी कमलासनूराणी कमनीयरूपिणी नमो नमो वाणी सङ्गीतझरी साहित्यधुनी चित्रशिल्पा चतुष्षष्टिकलामयी सङ्गीतझरी साहित्यधुनी चित्रशिल्पा चतुष्षष्टिकलामयी सकलार्थप्रदायिनी ब्राह्मणी सुरुचिरसुन्दरवीणापाणी सकलार्थप्रदायिनी ब्राह्मणी सुरुचिरसुन्दरवीणापाणी नमो नमो वाणी मन्त्रस्वरूपिणि मन्त्रनिवासिनि ओङ्कारप्राकारविहारिणि मन्त्रस्वरूपिणि मन्त्रनिवासिनि ओङ्कारप्राकारविहारिणि अक्षरमघुवक्षरमक्षयमुगा भगवति भारती दयसेयवे अक्षरमघुवक्षरमक्षयमुगा भगवति भारती दयसेयवे नमो नमो वाणी चदुबुलगीर्वाणी कमलासनूराणी कम